Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new Moterm binder cover. This binder I got from my mom. It's a gift, but I wanted to do the unboxing to showcase the color since I don't see any videos like it. So, with further ado, let's get to it. In a standard Moterm dust bag. This one feels a little different from the other ones. I think they upgraded their dust bag. It has a more sturdy velvety texture to it. The other ones are a little bit softer. And the color that I got from my mom was the lilac color because she really likes purple, so I got her her favorite color. Of course, it comes with its fly leaf. Inside, as usual, comes with some note paper, 30mm rings, a zip pocket here, side pocket here, 2 secretarial pockets, and then 2 slip pockets, a nice deep card pocket here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pockets for credit cards or deco cards or whatever. And then of course, standard back pocket. So this is the color. It's actually a pretty color. It's not as bright as it is on the video. Today it's a little overcast and I got my ceiling lights on and then I adjusted the exposure due to the fact that I wanted to get the best lighting possible. So that's how it looks. And then you have your 2 snap buttons, and then I know my mom is going to love this binder. I cannot wait to send it off to her. She's most likely gonna see this video. I don't really mind. She knows what I'm getting for her. And it's kind of cool. She gets to see a sneak peek of it before she receives it. So very short video, just wanted to show it to whoever's interested in purchasing maybe this color. This is as close as I'm gonna get in the lighting and stuff. I mean, it's actually quite the same color, just one little bit muted, but it is this quite beautiful purple. This color is a little bit more, I would say, brighter than the quartz. The quartz looks a lot more pale in comparison to this. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of this color, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.